There you go. This is Gus. Gus's ID number at the Baldwin Park Shelter, A4784342. And Gus is an altered male, brown and gold border terrier corgi mix. He's got that definite terrier face and a kind of a chunky corgi body. He's a cutie. He's about 3 years old, we think. Came to the shelter as a stray out of Baldwin Park on December 15th. Oh, and he's a talker. He's got a lot to say. He weighs about 17 pounds, and I think he's been well loved and well fed at some point because he's a little bit chunky, but he's a cutie. What else can you tell us, Lydia?
I woke him up in his kennel, and he was so calm, and he was real nice. And then I took him out, and he's friendly. He's a pretty good guy.
Now he's had a taste of freedom. He wants to run all over the place.
Yeah. It's like he doesn't want to sit still for his pictures or anything.
He wants to talk. He said, listen to me. He's such a sweetheart. Well, this is a guy when he's home, so, come on down and meet Gus. He's available for you to take home and love. He's a sweetie pie. He's got a lot of life, a lot of love left in him, huh, honey? Okay, Gus, you'll be okay. Oh, you're cute. Oh, my goodness.